up my people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're joining us for the first time, you are highly welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you a very effective, surprising and very affordable treatments that will firm up and tighten up your sagging breast. Now we ladies don't want our breasts to be sagging, of course. I don't want that too, and that is why if you don't have a sagging breast, you have to use this ingredient to prevent it. It is way natural, and all the ingredients, I'm sure you have them in your home. So if you want to know what my ingredients is gonna be, please do continue watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's if you are new, and also turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. If you have any questions, personal, curious or beauty questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. And if you want to get some natural beauty ingredients, you can do that on my website. The link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down. And also check out my vlog channel. There are tons of beautiful videos there. I'm sure you're going to be loving that video. Prank, review and lifestyle. Alright guys, so let's jump right into this video. The first ingredients, toothpaste, and the white toothpaste will be perfect for this treatment because it helps to shrink the pores and it also helps to tighten up the skin. Alright, that is why we need toothpaste in this treatment. Alright, so I'm going to be squeezing in a good amount of the toothpaste, and this would be okay. I think I need much. Alright, this will be okay. And the next ingredient, flour. This is a plain flour used in baking. Alright, so you can buy this in a baking shop because plain flour can exfoliate dead skin cells and remove aging signs like wrinkles and fine lines. It's going to be perfect in tightening up the skin because it reduces the size of follicles, removing excessive oil from the skin. So it's going to be perfect in firming up a sagging breast. For the plain flour, I'm going to be scooping in 2 tablespoons of plain flour, and this will be perfect. The next ingredients, cucumber. The ascorbic acids and caffeine acid in cucumber bring down the water retention rate on the skin. It diminishes swollen and puffiness around the eyes. It also helps to get rid of fine lines and wrinkles. It helps for hydrated skin, and it also firm up the sagging skin, and it's going to be perfect in firming up the sagging breast. So I'm going to be taking just a little piece of the cucumber, and you can decide to blend yours, but I'm going to be creating mine. Alright, and I love to create it in a circular form now so that the particles can be very tiny. So since I blended it in a circular form, this is how it came out looking. So I'm going to be taking about 2 tablespoons of this into this treatment. That's almost all of it. Okay, so let's not waste. And the next ingredients, egg. And in this treatment we're going to be needing just the white because egg white can tighten up and close up large pores, and it's also beneficial in tightening up a sagging and loose skin. It's going to be perfect in tightening and firming up the sagging breast. The astringent property in egg white helps to shrink the skin, leaving your skin looking smooth and youthful, and it also lightens up the skin. For the egg, I'm gonna be scooping in 2 tablespoons of the whites. And we're gonna be stirring and mixing our breast firming ingredients together. And this is perfect. Look at how it looks. So here is my treatment for tightening breast. Now what you do for this treatment, you just leave it into your refrigerator, or you apply this with the help of an ice. Okay, so what you do is that you apply this onto your boobs, right from the down to the up. You massage this. This can be very soft. Okay, so you take your time to massage this treatment onto your boobs, and also pressing a little bit of pressure would, make the treatment work effectively. All right, so you massage it for like 3 to 4 minutes, and you're going to be feeling some heat sensation of massaging. All right, that is quite normal. All right, so after you've massaged this onto the breast, then you can leave it on your breast for a little while, for like 2 to 3 minutes. Now that would help to work effectively. All right, so you just have to leave it for like 2 to 3 minutes, let it dry on your breast. All right, so I'm applying it here just to show you an illustration of it. I can't show you my breast right now, of course you know that, but to just show you that this treatment is safe on the skin and it's very mild, and it's going to tighten up your breast like really crazy. If you have a sagging jawline or a sagging skin, or if you have a sagging hands here, you can apply this treatment on that part. All right, and this is just going to be very helpful. Now you can store the remnants in your refrigerator for like 4 days, and then you use it for like 3 times in a week. All right, to 4 times in a week. This is very mild enough to firm up your breast, and in no time you are going to be happy you use this natural ingredients. All right, so go try it out and let me know how it is. Yeah guys, basically that did I just say basically? All right, basically that's just a very simple, natural and effective way to tighten up and your sagging breast. This will work like magic. It is not expensive anyways. So if you do find this video interesting, please thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's if you're new, and also turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. If you have any questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section, and also you can purchase some of your natural beauty ingredients on my website. The link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there. Alright guys, I will see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful and fun. Bye.